Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the One UI 8.5 lock screen on your Galaxy S26. So first, what you guys want to do is long press directly on your lock screen. So as you guys can see, we need to go right here and long press here. Now we're gonna be able to change everything right here. So we can easily change everything. We can go over and we can change the clock, we can change the font, the color, we can also change the size of it and the place where it is. We can center it right here and of course make it bigger, and we can, as I've mentioned, change the colors. So here you also got the style. You can change the style. Let me quickly change the color so you can see it. As you guys can see here, we got the styles. You can also do that and do this. We can also show the weather information and date above the clock. And yeah, this is how it works. Now let's move on. Here we can change those icons, as you guys can already know. So for example, instead of the phone app, we can use the live transcribe if we need it, and instead of the camera app, we're gonna use, let's say, the scan QR code. Here we can add the widgets from, let's say, battery, and here we're gonna do battery status in circles, or maybe the one, because I do not own any other device but this. Here we also can choose the calendar. And let's see if we can get another one here. Now it's full, but as you guys can see, we got our lock screen like this. So let me quickly go back, and here what else can you guys do is, of course, go to variations and change the colors. If you're not using your own wallpaper, you guys can switch to the home and lock screen. Now here we can change the wallpapers. As you guys can see, we can create it with AI, let's say generative. And now what we're gonna do here is go to night and we can generate. So we can click let's go. Now it's generating everything and we are just waiting. Now we can click set, and as you guys can see, this is our wallpaper and it looks amazing. So we can click done now. And this is how our wallpaper is looking. I think it looks pretty great, but here you guys can simply see that everything we've done is working perfectly fine. And that's how you guys can easily set up your lock screen on the One UI 8.5. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.